Hello friends,
Hello, namaste, and welcome back to our channel
live
live.
with Russian Boy.
Yay!
So friends, जैसे कि यहाँ पे हर मंडे एंड थर्सडे को वीकली मार्केट लगता है, सो आज भी लगा हुआ है, आज मंडे है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी देयर कि वीकली मार्केट में क्या क्या होता है. आई हैवंट सीन इन माय लाइफ.
And today it's so bright sun, it's not even possible to look straight into the camera because tears are coming out. It's really so bright sun.
सो वी गॉट लकी टुडे बिकॉज पिछले कुछ दिनों से काफ़ी डार्क वेदर हो रहा था, ग्रे वेदर, बट आज फाइनली सन इज़ देयर.
Yay! So let's go. I said that this market is exactly like Indian bazaars, but the smaller version of it. I will show you, and I hope you like it.
सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द
Come.
कम. और दोस्तों ये है यहाँ का रशिया के छोटे सा टाउन का वीकली मार्केट.
And pay attention, what size of watermelons do we have? It's season of apples right now. Everyone harvested apples, so they're selling all the fruits. So these are local apples, and check the size of watermelon.
Oh my God.
By the way, we already have mom bought for us watermelon. We will eat it at home. Check how many kilos are there. At least 10 kilos for sure.
तो काफ़ी बड़ा साइज है, मैं तो
Сколько
कभी देखा नहीं.
килограмм арбуза стоит? 20 rubles per kilo. Can you imagine?
Wow, but so big.
Yeah, one is already waiting for us at home. Once we'll come, we will cut it out and we will check how.
और ये
tasty
size
it
of
is.
onions,
This is onions.
so big size of onions. And
Check.
again we have melons.
These are melons. Watermelons, you see, so giant in size.
Wow, it will be tasty also.
Probably yes. At home, one is waiting for us, so we will eat. They're even giving to try to you.
Okay, that is good. And what is this?
This is sunflower
Sunflower
seeds.
seeds.
Yes, and this is one berries which are also very good, similar to which you have tried. They are selling it per glass because they are very healthy. You know, they contain vitamin
And what is
C and
this?
all.
Kvass?
No, this is sunflower oil, non-refined.
Non-refined sunflower oil.
Yay.
And they have यहाँ पे कपड़े भी बेच रहे हैं लोग, क्या बात है.
Oh, this market is like people come here from all the areas and sell clothes, food and all. So all small villages who cannot afford themselves to go to the giant cities, to metro cities for shopping, they come here and they buy here clothes itself.
Okay.
So
तो
it's
जैसे दिल्ली में लोकल मार्केट लगता है वीकली, सेम.
yes, but this is for people who cannot go from the villages to big cities. They are coming here only.
Okay. And this is what, wool to make sweater.
Yes, probably. Sweaters or socks people make. These are all tights and all.
Okay. Oh, market is big.
Yeah, market is really big.
Okay, but they have all types of things. What is this meat?
This is chicken with bones, chicken legs, chicken breasts. So the prices are eaten per kilo. Friends, by the way, 1 kilo of prices of rubles and rupees are all the same. So it's the same like rupees.
Okay,
This
again.
is smoked fish.
This is smoked fish.
Yeah, this is all varieties of smoked fish. 450 rubles per kilo. This one is really tasty.
But this
And
one looks
is
like
salted.
dried fish.
Yeah, but they are all smoky. And this one is salted ones and the smaller version.
What is this variety? Sea fish.
No, yes, this is sea fish.
So here we have sausages, different varieties.
And plus cheese. Pay attention how here they're selling cheese.
This is cheese.
This is butter, this is cheese, this is cheese, this is all varieties of cheese.
What are the prices? Not written.
Сколько стоит у вас килограмм такого или такого сыра?
Такой 300,
А этот?
такой 380, такой 360.
These are all varieties of cheese, hard cheeses, and see 300 rubles cost.
Very cheap.
Yeah.
Зачем ты с Белоруссии говоришь?
So if you
They have smoked chicken, smoked sausages.
виноград поели. And
Yes.
here they have all vegetables. See
Wow.
the size of cucumbers in Russia, 120 per kilo.
120 per kilo.
Yeah.
It's very big.
And these ones, 120 also per kilo. But see, they're so
Мадейн
and small.
Матвеевка.
Матвеевка, только
Made in
Матвеевка.
Матвеевка.
Так и запишите.
И помидоры очень
И
большие.
это Матвеевка, помидора Матвеевка, и чеснок Матвеевка.
Wait, tomato.
So you see plums, these are Lubukhara, 130 per kilo.
Прям
And these are
скажите ему,
peaches
всё
types.
Матвеевское, всё Матвеевское.
And check,
The
they have
apples.
also here
Kurma.
Yeah, that which you can
Rambutan.
get. No rambutan, which you can buy only in Shimla. It's not rambutan.
Kurma. See the size of onion, so big.
Yeah, check. You can kill with this onion. And the cost per kilo
Это-
35
это
rubles.
где
And here they have different fishes.
Давай
This is
рыбку
which fish?
предлагай. Ты чё, как
This
немцы
is
сказали,
herrings,
ничего,
it
пусть
Okay.
is sea fish. This is salty, this is smoky, and these are all frozen fishes. This is all sea fish, frozen fish. You see the prices: 185, 270, 300. And in India, fish is so costly. It's like 2,000 per kilo. See, like around 300 rubles per kilo. It's the same for rupees. And in India, fish is so costly.
Yeah, India very costly. But in India, sea fish is rare, difficult to find.
Yes, here they're
They
selling
have
some sweet
baking
stuff.
stuff.
Yes, baked things. These are mini pastries types.
Okay.
And this is called pryaniki. Pryaniki, these are kind of doughy things which are chocolate and mint flavors.
Looks like donut to me.
No, they're like gingerbreads. They're very hard.
Gingerbreads, okay.
Kind of gingerbreads. And this is called baranki.
Okay. Looks like donuts.
No, they're very hard as well.
So this is the bakery shop, the
No, it's not a bakery stall. They're selling sweet things.
sweet things.
Yes.
Okay. So again some pastries type.
Pastries, cookies, different things. You can try if you would like to try some things. You can buy and have
Cookies
it at
and-
home with chai. Yes.
Okay, that is good. Again here they have apples, watermelons and sausage. भाई sausage तो बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे और ये है Russian dog. This is a Russian dog. Doesn't look like Russian to me.
Then, like Indian.
Like Indian dog. Here they're selling cosmetic stuff. So यहाँ पे छोटे छोटे विलेज से लोग आते हैं शॉपिंग करने क्योंकि उनके विलेज में शॉप्स अवेलेबल नहीं है. So ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेंटर में आते हैं जहाँ मार्केट लगता है और यहाँ के वो सारी अपनी शॉपिंग करते हैं. And this is what traditional clothes.
That's the traditional for home clothes.
Oh, for home clothes. Okay. Again,
So you can show like this
Cloth.
from this. Then.
cloth market.
This is all, friends. This is all made in China.
All
None
made
of
in
them-
China jackets.
Jackets, all clothes. This is none of them are some branded or else.
Okay. Jeans they are selling.
And see what kind of jacket. Wow.
Wow, this jacket looks nice.
Yeah.
What will be the price?
No idea, maybe 2,000. Сколько у вас такие куртки стоят? 2,500, I guessed almost right.
Again, sweater stuff.
Yeah, sweaters and all people do come here and buy because not everyone have chance to go to big cities.
But abhi winter is coming, right? That's why they're selling winter clothes.
See?
Very thick.
Thick wool, yes. Pants, woolen pants.
500.
Maybe.
So 500 rupees ka
500,
pajama.
600, 700, no. 700.
700.
Yes.
Oh,
All
okay.
pajamas are 700. From inside they are like this.
But in India also price is the same.
So in India, go to Sarojini, you can bargain and get cheaper as well.
And these are what, rubber shoes?
These are rubber shoes, but they are now designer ones. So
Okay.
if it is raining or dirt, mud, you can wear them because this part is all rubber. Nothing will happen. And this one is just for the design.
Inside there is a wool.
No, synthetic wool.
Oh, synthetic wool, okay. Okay, let's walk next. What they have? Again, jackets.
Yes, because winter is coming.
Winter
right?
is
People
coming.
are coming in warm clothes.
Okay, these are military type of jackets.
Only men are buying for working in their gardens and
Working
all.
jackets. And what else they have? They are selling.
Wallpapers.
Oh, these are wallpapers.
Yeah, in Russia, people do not paint their houses like in India, but they're
Oh.
using different wallpapers. These are the sticker wallpapers, like you know, which you bought, but different type. You see,
That is nice.
Thick
They have
ones.
nice designs.
these are thicker versions. These are all different.
Oh, these are textured version, not sticker.
These are all textured wallpapers.
Wow, these are looks nice. I don't know prices.
Prices, I also have no idea. Here there are more. All
Different
type
variety of
designs.
wallpapers. That is good. There are so many varieties of.
These are all wallpapers that to apply on your walls and to make your house look cozy.
So nice designs they have.
Yeah, because here only this is popular. No one puts paint on the wall.
Yes. The one time put wallpaper and then with your
No, you have to change it after few years.
few years like paint. Oh, ये है shawl I guess.
Yeah, this is real woolen shawls.
Russian woolen shawl.
Yes. Сколько у вас такие, это что, шарф или
Это
что?
1500.
1,500 cost.
1,500.
Because it's real wool.
Wow. Looking so nice.
This is all made.
All handmade?
Yes.
Oh, it's all handmade
Yes,
shawls.
it is all handmade, and this is made of real sheep wool.
Okay.
You see? And they are really warm in winters. We do wear this type of things. They're like in India, Kashmiri shawls are famous.
And
here this Orenburgsky shawls are famous from
Oren-
Orenburg region.
okay.
So these are famous from here. That's why you can easily get it as a gift and then enjoy yourselves.
So Orenburgskaya's shawl.
Yes, and for very cold winters, these types they are having
What is
lesser
this?
design. It is completely
Complete
for
thick.
minuses. You see,
Oh, it's very thick.
it's very thick. It's for minus, like minus 20, minus 30. You can
Cover your head.
your head and you will not feel cold. You see, it looks like this.
वाह। सो दोस्तों रशिया में भी सेम लोकल मार्केट है जैसे हमारे इंडिया में होता है वीकली मार्केट।
But the prices are way much higher than in Indian markets.
या इंडियन मार्केट में आई थिंक प्राइसेस आर वेरी चीप, नॉट वेरी चीप, लाइक चीपर देन
Cheaper
यहाँ
than here in
पे।
local markets
Yeah.
because here everything is brought from outside, from China and all, and prices of course are going so high.
2000 3000 और पजामा इतना महंगा, 1000 रुपये
Oh,
पजामा।
it's better to go and to buy from some H&M or from some branded shops. Quality will be not worse. Quality will be even better if you'll buy from the branded shops, but price will be also almost the same.
यस। सो आई थिंक रीना ऑलमोस्ट मार्केट तो मेरे ख्याल से बंद होने वाला है।
Yeah, we came very late, you know, we slept today till afternoon, so we came and market is already gone.
यस।
Sleep longer and you will miss everything.
सो वी केम ऑफ फॉर आवर हॉलीडे, सो
Yes.
सोना तो बनता है ना।
Of course, sure.
और ये शॉप है मतवेव्स की हलेब, तो ये लोकल बेकरी हाउस और ब्रेड्स की शॉप है। सो लेट्स सी कैसी शॉप है अंदर से। जी खुशबू तो बड़ी अच्छी आ रही है बेकरी की।
Check the prices of the bread.
और 50 ग्राम
which is
27।
the highest quality, 27. Different type of breads, different prices. But you see, not a single bread goes above 30 rubles. 30 rupees per bread. Very good quality.
वेरी
not
गुड
like
क्वालिटी
your-
एंड चीप। ओके ओके, सो ये है ब्रेड्स, ओपन ब्रेड्स, नाइस।
And they are also packed.
बट दे आर नॉट सेलिंग स्लाइस्ड ब्रेड।
Sliced bread they do sell, but different variety.
ओके
Sliced bread I do not advise you to buy. Because sliced bread you can eat in India also.
सो यू आर पैकिंग बाय योरसेल्फ हियर।
Yeah, you can take packed, but this one will be very crispy.
ओके दैट इज गुड।
This will be very crispy from all the sides.
ओके What
And
else they
here
have?
There are pies. You have
different pies।
here pies.
फ्रेंड दिस पाई देखने में सब सिमिलर लग रहे हैं, बट इट हैज़ और डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स। सम आर विद एप्पल, सम आर विद फिश, सम आर विद ब्लैक करंट, so different flavors are there in the pies।
And these are kind of hot dog types.
Hot dog?
Yeah, local ones.
Local hot dogs, okay। And then they have cookies,
Yeah, all varieties of
all
cookies.
varieties of cookies, nice। And here they have varieties of different cookies। Price 58 ruble, 57 ruble complete box। So price काफ़ी reasonable है, it's not that expensive। और यहाँ पे different varieties के cookies and waffle। Oh, waffle prices are very cheap। 57 ruble। Wow, in India में waffles are very costly, 150, 200, but here is very cheap। So different varieties of waffles are here, cookies are here, and और ये क्या है, grains। So this is buckwheat। Buckwheat is a kind of wheat की कोई variety होती है जो लोग खाते हैं morning में cook करके। Then we have pasta, rusk biscuit, different variety of pastas are here। Then it is dalia, I guess। दलिया चावल वैसा नहीं, ऐसा इंडिया में मिलता है। Here चावल is different type, sticky rice। Then we have potatoes, ready-made food। What is this?
These are noodles.
Or
These are noodles for soups.
these are soup noodles। Wow,
Yes.
looking unusual। Then we have pickled watermelon, pickled cucumber, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें यहाँ pickled हैं, tomatoes। Then we have different fishes, canned fishes, then ketchup, chips है। So काफ़ी कुछ varieties available है यहाँ पे। And again we have coffee, Nescafe। So Nescafe everywhere is available। Jacob's coffee I heard is good। and price is 188 ruble. This complete box, nice. And Nescafe Gold is 213 rubles. So India में 500 rupees. So here coffee is cheap. Then again Indian chai. Chais are good and chai prices are not expensive. 92 rubles, 100 rubles. So 100 rubles equivalent to 101 rupees. And this chai is very tasty. Tess brand I like. Different flavors of chais are there in Tess. Oh, this is freshly baked pie. It has caramel and cottage cheese inside. Tasty.
We are going to try at home this one.
Oh, you're buying this one?
Yeah, and bread.
Okay, that is good.
And plus they have this type of buns with sugar.
Ah, okay. Looking nice buns.
You want? I guess.
Later on. I think for today we bought already enough. Then here dried fish.
No, it's not dried. It's salted.
Salted fish. Nice. And these are smoked fish. Fresh fish also there. And these are marinated fish. People like to eat marinated fish. And sausages. That is nice. And then again the favorite thing, alcohol. So alcohol is in every shops available. That is nice. So friends, हमने ढेर सारी शॉपिंग कर ली है यहाँ पे. बेकरी आइटम्स और भी अदर आइटम्स हैं, चिप्स है, डिफरेंट फ्लेवर के जो इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है.
So we are going home and then we are going to try and tell you whether it's worth to buy these things in Russia or not. So come.
तो दोस्तों फाइनली मैं घर आ चुका हूँ और मैंने अपनी टेबल सजा ली है जो भी मैंने ख़रीदा है आज. सो अभी हम बेकरी ट्राई करेंगे. सो बेकरी में हमारे पास है अभी ब्लैक करंट पाई और साथ में है रशियन फेवरेट मेदोविक केक, जिसको हनी केक भी बोलते हैं, और ये हर शॉप में अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे रशिया में. तो रेडीमेड केक आता है पैकेट में, सो आप ख़रीद सकते हैं. एंड वी हैव हेयर चॉकलेट वॉफल. सो ये मैंने देखा फर्स्ट टाइम बिकॉज इंडिया में वी हैव नॉर्मल वॉफल्स, but this is one is chocolate waffle. So I will definitely try all this thing right now और मैं बताऊंगा कि कैसा है यहाँ का टेस्ट. So let me start with black currant pie. देखने में तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, black currant red. So let's try. टेस्ट काफ़ी अच्छा है, एकदम फ्रेश. I think it's freshly baked.
They are baking it every morning, fresh breads and pies.
वेरी टेस्टी और काफ़ी स्वीट है. कि ब्लैक करंट मतलब कितनी शक्कर या चीनी डाल दी हो. वेरी स्वीट बट वेरी टेस्टी फ्रेंड. और मैं ट्राई करूँगा रशियन हनी केक विच इज़ कॉल्ड मेदोविक केक. ये काफ़ी सारी लेयर्स हैं केक में.
Oh, so soft it seems like.
दिस केक इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट. इरीना भी घर पे बनाती है मेदोविक केक, वो भी बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है और ये भी बहुत सॉफ्ट है. तो जब भी अगर आप रशिया जाओ, शॉप पे जाओ, तो ट्राई करना है मेदोविक केक. अगर नहीं पता वो नाम तो प्लीज़ लिख लीजिए. मेदोविक केक इज़ वेरी टेस्टी. इज़ हनी केक. मैं थोड़ी बहुत चाय पीऊँगा, काफ़ी मीठा हो गया है. और एक और चीज़ मैंने देखी यहाँ पे, जैसे कि मैं अभी ब्लैक चाय पीता हूँ और रशिया में मैंने देखा कि लोग चाय में दूध मिला के पीते हैं, जैसे कि हम इंडियंस पीते हैं ब्लैक चाय में दूध ऐड करके, ना कि कुक करके. जैसे हम इंडिया में चाय में दूध और मसाला कुक करते हैं, बट यहाँ पे पहले ब्लैक चाय के ऊपर दूध मिक्स करके फिर ये लोग ड्रिंक करते हैं. सो अनयूजुअल बट ओके, एवरीवेयर डिफरेंट स्टाइल. और अब मैं ट्राई करूँगा वॉफल, चॉकलेट वॉफल. देखिए कितना खूबसूरत है देखने में.
It has also hazelnuts at the top.
Yes, it has hazelnut on the top. Very tasty. यहाँ पे चॉकलेट्स की बहुत सारी वैरायटी है और प्राइसेस आर नॉट दैट कॉस्टली. दिस वॉफल आई बॉट इट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 60 रुपीज़ के आसपास, इंडियन रुपीज़.
And this we bought
So
for
very cheap.
50 rubles.
और ये एक दूसरी वैरायटी का वॉफल है, ये चॉकलेट कोटेड नहीं है. तो ये है 50 रुपीज़ का इतना बड़ा पैकेट.
50 rupees.
तो 50 रुपीज़ जस्ट सेम मनी. और साथ में और भी चीज़ें हैं खाने के लिए, जैसे कि यहाँ पे ये पाई है, ये स्ट्रॉबेरी पाई, वेरी टेस्टी. मैंने यहाँ पे ट्राई करा था, बहुत ही अच्छा है. और डिफरेंट टाइप की चॉकलेट है, सूफले. सो चॉकलेट कवरिंग है अंदर और अंदर सॉफ्ट सूफले है भरा हुआ. सो इज़ वेरी टेस्टी. और इसमें काफ़ी सारी वैरायटीज़ आती है. सो यू कैन ट्राई दिस वन. और अगर आपका स्वीट टूथ है, जिसको को मीठा खाना बहुत पसंद है, तो रशिया में आपके लिए बहुत सारी वैरायटी है जो आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं, और सारी स्वीट डेजर्ट्स एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी टेस्टी।
So, how do you like Russian desserts or sweets?
मुझे तो सारे पसंद आए, ऑल आर वेरी वेरी टेस्टी, और बहुत सारी वैरायटी है, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज आई लाइक स्वीट्स। और यहाँ पे जो स्वीट्स की वैरायटी है इज़ काफ़ी cheap also.
Whenever Indian people are coming to Russia, then they're making vlogs kind of, oh, you know, there is nothing to eat in Russia, you can die with hunger. Friends, that is not true. In the supermarkets, you can buy all spices, whatever you want, and you can even cook on your own. Of course, in the shops, they will not be selling spicy things because Russians, most of them cannot tolerate spicy food. But you can make it on your own, and it does not stop you from trying other things which are available in the market, because there are so many delicious things which you have to come here and try by yourself.
Yes. और आज मैं काफ़ी दिनों से धनिया की तलाश कर रहा था, लेकिन फाइनली आज मुझे धनिया मिल गया है, सो आई कैन मेक सम डिश एंड ऐड धनिया देयर।
So we will be showing you many interesting videos from here, and Amit will be trying many things, not just sweet but savory as well, different snacks and all. So stay tuned, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, and definitely support us by writing your comments and press like button. So friends, for today that's it. See you very soon, and from Russia with love.
Bye bye.